recently did a new build. It was originally, I had the Cooler Master HAF, which stood for high airflow, and I had that case, and I upgraded, which doesn't seem like an upgrade, but I like the new side panel. But I put all the parts into a Carbide series Spec-01. It's a pretty good case. As you can see, it has the side panel, and then I got Corsair H55. You can see my old cases in here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's that. And then we'll go over to my setup. I got it's an okay keyboard. It's a Rosewool keyboard. I don't really like the little logo, but Rosewool. You can't see it, but it's got orange keys for the gaming. They're kind of rubber, so they're kind of good. And I've got my speakers and my HP 55, 22 inch. Pretty good. But over here, my first build by myself. Carbide. Comes with this stock. It's I don't know. The case itself is good. Corsair does great products, but this here, it only comes with one fan. That's the only downside of this case. It comes with one fan. Usually they come with two. This one comes with one. And I have one stock fan down here that came with my old case. It's black. I put it in. And my Asus drive works perfectly. It's good. To undo it, right here you have a panel screw. I installed some LED lights to light up the inside, which take back here. If you can see it, let's see here. Anything on off switch. I did a zip tie to tie down the cables back here. It goes on the inside. It's an on-off switch. I'll leave my mouse. It's okay. It's like $13 on Amazon. But we go here. Top page. Let's see here. Pop it up just like so. I guess I turned it off. I don't know why I did that. So what I have here, there's the H55 cooler. It's pretty good. It cools it probably get 10 degrees difference. And I have G-Skill rib jaws, which were original. I had what was the original one? ASRock, ASRock, whichever one you pronounce it. I had that motherboard, and it went out. And then this one was on sale on Newegg, and I got a gigabyte, as you can see right there. And now this motherboard's been fantastic. Yeah, there's the red fan. Got mine there, and I have a terabyte. For some reason these didn't work correctly. I think I put them in wrong. Honestly, that was probably my goof. But these holders are from my other case. They come with something right here. It's a terabyte. But yeah, and then as you can see, my LEDs, they go inside the case. You can see right there. Don't go on the whole inside. And this is my first build by myself, and got a lot of people saying I did a good job there. And I've got a HIS, which I don't really recommend HIS. I don't know why their cards kind of go downhill after a while, but it's an HIS 7870. It does what I need it to do. Run Dota 2 on high, play Skyrim on high. It does everything on high really, but once you get in the more higher intensive new gens, it gets kind of iffy. It's got one fan. See, no, I can't see it. It's the top secret fan right there. It's the fan, and it's a very heavy card. It weighed down originally, so I took a cable here, tied it here, and it goes around here and it pulls the card up so it doesn't lean. I did that. That's my build. That was CX750, which I think I have too much there. But I'm glad I got that so I can upgrade. But overall, the cable management, I'm not going to open up the back because the cable management on the back is good, but it's just not amazing. It's going from the Cooler Master half edition, the 912, to this is a big difference. I like this case because it's smaller, it's more portable. I can carry it places if I need to. Take to the dorm easier, but this one, I like this case a lot better. For space reasons, it's not good, but I like this case for its cool look with the side panel, and then everything else is pretty neat about it. Just the problem with it is that in the back here, if you can see the cord here, that is the power cord, and there is no entryway from the top for it to come in and actually actually pull into the power cord. You have to string it all the way across from over here to there. And I actually I recommend Corsair's cooling, liquid cooling. It's very good. It was a very easy installation. You can feel it going. It's pretty neat. But I just went with all red. Yeah, I think I did a pretty neat job customizing it myself. Yeah, so that is my build. The only problem is this doesn't lock. I don't know why. But you got your hard drive light. You've got a USB, regular USB 2.0, and it comes with one USB 3.0. And then your hard drive light, which barely blinks on this case. But it does. And the light, is very, it won't show. It's blinking. And it comes with your headphone, and your microphone. And then you got your power switch, which is red. And you got your reset switch, which doesn't light up for some reason, but then it's red light, so I'm not sure what that is. I enjoy this case, so I recommend any of this stuff, and if you get the option, I would buy this case, definitely. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in any way, just seeing the way I built mine, or just in general, seeing a computer, kind of see how things can be set up, because that's what helped me. So like and subscribe.